Okay, so this part is done, so now I need to create a smaller roof, and before going to next step I will save progress. Now next roof is 2.5 meters and 1.455 meters. Okay, so let's try to use different technique and just draw the rectangle 2.5 meters and tab 1.455. I don't have thickness for this roof, so I will use 150 millimeters. Let's say concrete roof above the staircase. 150. Okay, so I click tab, select all the components, create a group, go to materials and look for concrete, so import materials, concrete, and let's select concrete material from the list. Okay, cast in place, move, nice, concrete. Let's go down, select concrete material and assign to this object. Now let's move this small roof on this location, so above my first floor, on the second floor level.